From a woman struck by a front-loader vehicle, to a man who vanished after getting hit by flames, a worker's shirt caught in a machine, to a forklift tipping onto a worker, and a man crushed by a massive steel stack. These incidents highlight the serious risks present in the workplace. This woman was standing in front of a large front-loading vehicle while guiding it. During the process, she was struck by a vehicle. What do you think happened to her leg? Share your thoughts in the comments. While this worker was cleaning a tank, a flame suddenly ignited from inside it, and within seconds, he disappeared from view. It is unclear what happened to him. Do you have any idea what may have happened to him? While crawling on the road, this beggar moved in front of a truck. Due to the driver's limited visibility, the truck began moving and ran over him. Due to overloading, the forklift tipped backward into the air. In an attempt to stop it, a woman ran toward the machine, but tragically, it fell and landed on top of her. He was extremely lucky and suffered only the loss of his shirt. This incident highlights why it is essential to wear properly fitting clothing when working near spinning machinery. While this mechanic was sitting on top of the machine to fix an issue, the machine unexpectedly activated, and the press began coming down on him. It is unclear whether he survived the incident. What do you think happened? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. You may wonder how this worker ended up in this situation. It occurred when he walked on top of a machine to inspect it, and the machine unexpectedly started operating. While walking on the rear bucket of a truck, a large metal stack placed nearby toppled over and landed on his leg. You can see his leg got completely crushed. While this forklift was lifting a heavy load, it lost balance and tipped over, falling onto a worker. While attempting to lift a heavy load, the forklift lost balance and fell onto a person walking nearby. The moment he opened the truck's rear gate, the load fell on him, instantly knocking him down. This drainage pipe was being lifted by a front-loading vehicle when another worker was handling it. The rope snapped and the load fell on him. While placing a large disc, this worker fell to the ground, and unfortunately, the load also fell on top of him. While the machine was still running, this worker stood on a rock after it became stuck in a grinding machine. While attempting to free the stuck rock, the worker fell onto the grinding machine. Another worker came to help, but unfortunately, it was already too late. His leg had been caught by the grinding mechanism. What do you think happened to the scooter rider? Share your thoughts in the comments. This worker was guiding an excavator when, unfortunately, the ground beneath him suddenly collapsed, causing him to fall. Do you think he survived the incident? Share your thoughts. While this woman was walking, a forklift came toward her and hit her. After that, it dragged her for several feet. By the time the operator realized what was happening, it was already too late. Who do you think was at fault here? The operator or the woman walking in the middle of the area? Let us know in the comments. This worker was walking between large metal stacks when one of the stacks suddenly became unbalanced and fell toward him, crushing his lower body. While working near a grinding machine, his loose clothing became caught in the rotating part, pulling him in and causing him to spin with the machine. You may wonder how he ended up in this situation. It occurred when his hand became caught in a rotating drum, which pulled him into the machine. You can still see half his body trapped inside the machine. Do you think he managed to survive? In this incident, his clothing became caught in the equipment and pulled him in, resulting in severe injuries caused by the rotating blade. This man was attempting to pull materials using a rope when the rope snapped, causing him to fall from the truck and land on the ground. The tractor hit a pothole and bounced. Unfortunately, the operator was thrown from the tractor and was run over. These workers were loading marble panels onto the back of a truck when the panel became unbalanced and fell, crushing a worker. A few seconds later, a large stack of nearby marble panels also toppled. While the machine was still rotating the thread, this man touched it. His hand became caught and was pulled toward the machine, spinning on a rotating part. This truck was being lifted by a crane while workers were positioning it. Suddenly, the rope snapped, causing the truck to fall on top of them. Who do you think was at fault in this situation? The man walking in the middle of the road or the operator who ran him over? This woman walked in front of the truck. Due to limited visibility from the truck cabin, the operator did not see her, and she was sadly run over. This man walked over to the truck to untie the rope holding the tailgate. When he tried to put it down, it fell on him, crushing him instantly. Due to limited visibility, the operator did not see him, and he was unfortunately run over by the machine.